Yo, and we're back with another episode of Wake Up with Wops. The last one was my profit taking strategies. Now I'm going to tell you how I took profits and entered into a new trade. This is Meta, formerly known as Facebook. You could see here that it was at all-time highs recently at 746. Then we pulled back, and you could see on the day chart there's like a hammer candle forming right there that formed yesterday. And then today it's another green day above the 9 EMA. I entered today in the hopes that we remount the 20-day moving average and the 9 EMA continues up. So basically resistance at all-time highs pulls back. We see some type of support and we go back to all-time highs, hopefully breaking that. I'll probably try to take some profits here, and then depending how it looks, I could hold for longer. When I go into trades, I'd like to look at different things. I like to look at the stochastics, the volume, the max, and also important different time frames. So what I did here, I went to the 4 hour, and then you could see here that we're kind of forming up with the blue 9 EMA curling up, curling for the girls. And then you can see down here we're curling up, showing that there's going to be some buyers coming in, 2 green bars. Then we go to the week, which is the long term. You can see that we pulled back to the 9 EMA on the weekly chart, and we're staying here some type of support. I'm hoping we go up because of pre-earnings. Earnings come out in 9 days. So what stocks do before earnings, they like to run up, and then it's like a sell the news event. If there's good earnings, it'll keep going up. If it's bad earnings, it will drop down, gap down. Or it could gap down on good earnings. It doesn't really matter. It's risky to hold during earnings. So my play on this one is just that I hope it remounts for a quick trade to all-time highs and then get out before the 9 days, which is when earnings come out. If anything, after earnings, I could always get back into it. Meta, I've liked for a while. I've already traded a couple times in the profits. I have good success rate with this stock, so I wanted to continue with it, test my luck, and see what's up. If you don't have enough money for this Meta stock, I prefer using the leveraged ETF called METU. So this is better for smaller positions. You see the price of the share is $42 instead of $700. So it's easy to get into this too. I've traded this a couple times. And yeah, and that's it. That's the Meta trade for you guys.